Hello, I'm just going to show you quickly how to use a Padlet because I want you to do a Padlet for feedback for Paddy on his session today. So I'll email you this link and that link should take you straight into the Padlet. So Padlet is just like an online notice board really, and it's just a nice way and a nice interactive way of getting feedback. So what you'll notice on your Padlet is a little plus sign there, so you just press the plus sign and then you can just write something in there. So I found Paddy's session very engaging and interactive. I loved his presentation style and how he role modelled everything he was saying. I will use some of the techniques in my own teaching. So that's all you do. That's it, and that's your comment there. So you just press the plus sign and write in the comment. You can put other things like on pictures as well, and links if you want, but ideally just write a comment for Paddy. That'll be great and I can send it to him. Alright, thank you.